How to enable two-factor authentication in Fortnite. So when you enable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account, you are also enabling it on Fortnite. While it's a free game, it has in-game transactions. So when you enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite, you are protecting your data and those in-game purchases. In order to do so, what you want to do is log into your account on the Epic Game website. Then select your username in the top right corner and then click on Account. On the left side of the window, select Password and Security. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication. You have two options to choose to enable two-factor authentication for Fortnite. One is Enable Authenticator app or Enable Email Authentication. To use the Authenticator app, you need to have the app installed on your phone. If you select Enable Authenticator app, a pop-up will appear with a QR code for you to scan with the app, which then provides a code to use as your two-factor authenticator. If you prefer to use email as a source for the two-factor authenticator code, then select Enable Email Authentication and a code will be sent to the email address connected to your Epic Games account, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is the way on how you can enable two-factor authenticator on Fortnite. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.